Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Esser and you can find me on social media as Makeup Madhouse. So I'm here today with colored contacts. I am going to be showing you guys some safety tips and how to insert your lenses for the first time. Colored contacts is my one-stop shop for using in my makeup looks to really amp them up, and I really want to show you guys how to be sanitary with your lenses and how to use them safely. There's many different lenses that you can wear every day or you can use for special occasions like I'm using for my body paint today. I want to give you guys a couple safety tips before I show you how to insert them. So I want to start out by saying make sure your hands are washed and dried very thoroughly before touching the lenses at any point. Also, I want to point out that you need to soak your lenses for 2 hours or longer in solution before putting them in your eyes for the first time. When ordering, make sure you get your contact lens case, solution, and of course your contact lenses. They will come in 2 little jars. You will pop off the metal circle at the beginning and then begin taking off the rest, and if you're struggling with this, you can use pliers to get it off. Next, the rubber cap will come off. Pour enough solution in your contact lens case, and then you can pop your lens out of the jar and put that into your case. Make sure you secure the lid tightly. Definitely be aware when purchasing how long your lenses are good for, whether it's for 1 day, for 90 days, or for 1 year. If you are wearing your lenses for a longer duration, make sure you're regularly changing the solution in your case. There's a lot more safety tips on the safety guide at coloredcontacts.com, so make sure you go through and read those all before wearing your lenses so that you are doing it safely. I'm gonna go get my makeup and body painting done and then show you guys how to put your contact lenses in. Once again, a super important reminder to make sure your hands are always washed and super clean before handling your lenses at any time. Make sure that your lens is facing the correct way where it is in dome shape and the ends are not flipped outward. As you can see, I use my middle finger to pull my skin down from my eye while looking up and use my index finger to place the lens in. I use my index finger to push the lens into place, and also if your eyes do water, that is normal. You can just wipe it away with a tissue. Once that lens is in comfortably, you're ready to do the other eye, so I place my lens on my finger, making sure it's the correct way, use my middle finger to pull down my skin while looking up, and place it in with my index finger. Alright, so this is my complete look. I hope you guys like it, and I really hope that this video helped you with your first purchase for colored contacts.